the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. What my world, billion by billion, they holding it.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, I found, not just now but yesterday afternoon, this old and pretty nice direct drive automatic turntable record player dual 6-to-1, produced in Germany late 70s. If it is correctly, it was produced around the year 1977-1978. It looks pretty nice, but the dust cover, as very often happens, it holds, but it's damaged, totally damaged. It was something heavy standing on the dust cover, so that's a pity. Happens. So totally damaged dust cover, and there is also Headshell dual TK and the number I think 122, but I will put it down later, with pretty nice cartridge SHURE M71 MB, and as it is usual, I always sell Headshells with cartridges separately, because the customers have usually their own cartridges, their own Headshells. So this turntable is for sale. You can find it later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page turntables, record players. Unfortunately, the automatic mechanic has some problems. Stroboscope light works, pitch control works, no problem, but the tone arm doesn't drive automatically on the LP, and when it's at the end of the LP, it doesn't go automatically back, it goes up, down, up, down, up, down. So let's see. I will try to connect it to an amplifier, to the speakers, but regarding the copyright on the music, I cannot let play the LP longer than 5-6 seconds, otherwise the sound will be blocked regarding the copyright. So let's try it. So start, goes up, and then it doesn't go on the plate. Left channel, right channel, stereo. I cannot let it play longer, and if I would like to take it out, take it up, nothing happens. So let's try stop, goes up, and goes down. So the mechanic, the automatic needs maintenance, needs service. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So have a nice day.
Für einen easy rider, da ist der Kartridge